Puyallup, Washington again. It's the first weekend in February 1995. We're here for the Northwest Model Exposition, sponsored by the Mount Rainier Radio Control Society. Well, Wendell Ward wins Best of Show with his Beechcraft C45. And it's a beauty. Looks like a pair of quadra engines are larger. Wendell also won first place in military sport scale with this Beechcraft. And overall Best of Show goes to Walt Wyrick with his Boeing Stearman in fun scale. Came in first place in fun scale.
Money in it, I figured I'd just fly out everything, you know.
Walt says this thing is a composite of plenty of aircraft. Oh, we got Melody Ashford Productions here from Portland, filming the Northwest Model Expo with Bob Benjamin here on the Best of Show aircraft. This will hopefully be the first part of the new model aircraft show produced by Dave Ling.
Military sport scale.
From Mrs. Ashford doing their thing. Off the C45 Beechcraft, which won first place in military sports scale. Randy Martins and his Bird Dog, honorable mention. And Joe Topper with a Proctor Newport 28 C1, honorable mention, quarter scale. Jerry Hopkins, beautiful de Havilland Tiger Moth, and the Oregon. Sid Tanabe, Boise, Idaho, Avid Catalina. Boy, he's won a lot of awards with this thing. First place, giant sports scale. Don Lyons, Piper Cub J3, quarter scale. Steve Trackwell, Kristen Eagle 2. Merle, a Laser 200. I bet he's got smoke on this one. Lloyd's part of the Northwest Flight Demo Team. Vincent Rodriguez, Navy SNJ. Beautiful color. Harding, DO 335. Push-pull twin engine. World War II. Curtis P40. Emily Flying Boat, Jerry Holcomb, all electric. Stearman N2S, Ward Amy. Ward's got one of the new Robart 9-cylinder radial engines, this little jewel. Ward's quite a competitor with his airplanes. He does a beautiful job and he flies great too. Very colorful Ward. And yes, it really runs. Terry Malcolm, F100 Super Sabre, and Darrell Usher, a pair of twins here. Darrell produces this kit. Al Culver and his Beer Cat. Looks like a pylon racer of sorts. Paul Harding, Mooney Might. Winner for Sid Tanabe, another all aluminum tube fuselage. Decathlon. I've seen this one fly many times, so it's no hanger queen. Sid really cleans up at the contest when he goes there. Mark Wald from Nanaimo, BC. Twin B. It's a conversion of a Republic CB. Keith Bedeau, Spokane, Washington. First place, Jet Sport Scale. 4 Phantom. Gary Weaver in his rendition of Lefty Gardner's P-38. Lefty has retired his aircraft to a museum now. Amy's N2S. Dwayne Sims Giant Sukhoi 29. Russian design. And Model T triplane, tri-motored I should say. Kristen Eagle, Jerry Cohen. Floyd Watson, monocoupe. Used, it says, for sale. Ted Norris, Spacewalker. Bob Benjamin is electric Spitfire. Doug Laporte, Sukhoi. And your Laser 200, David Baxter. David Breedy, Racing T6. Another Breedy airplane, Little Tony. And a shoestring by David Breedy. This guy's got an Air Force. What's this? Looks like he's a pylon racer. Well, this will give you an overview of the 1995 Northwest Model Exposition static display.
Puyallup, Washington.
Lots of nice airplanes out there. And there's some boats and trains. And this is a model expo, not just aircraft. Well, there's the entrance to the trade show downstairs. See if there's anything new at the Proctor booth. Oh my gosh, look at that. Looks like a Fokker D7. Wow, this must be the new kit that Proctor's going to put out. Quarter scale. Tell us about this new aircraft, Dick. My, it looks good.
It's a Fokker D7. It's about a 21-pound airplane flying weight. We haven't flown it yet, but we hope to in the near future. It should be a good one.
When are you going to fly it?
As soon as we get back to work. We can find a competent pilot to fly it, and a place that we can fly it without any radio interference.
Static fuselage built by Paul Edgerly of the Albatross. We got Paul Knapp from Tempe, Arizona with his Bentley Rotary. How do you like the show, Paul?
Fantastic.
Good, good.
Amen.
There it is. We've seen it before and we're seeing it again. Did you run it for the folks?
Yeah, we ran it yesterday several times. We've got quite a crowd.
We sure appreciate it. Okay, Bubba, looks like you did all right. We're going to fade out and head back to dear old Portland, right? All right, we'll see you next year, right? Well, we're in Langley, British Columbia, about halfway between Abbotsford and Vancouver. Go through the Canadian Museum of Flight. Looks like they got one big hangar full of aircraft and a few out in the boneyard here. We'll take a quick look at them here shortly. Got a nice looking T6 Hubbard here. Looks like it's flyable. This is a general aviation airport. You got a little bit of everything. There's another Hubbard. And it's a Sunday morning, about 9:45. Museum's not open yet, but this is kind of an overview of the Langley Aerodrome here in British Columbia. And there's the back end of the hangar there for the Museum of Flight. Hopefully we're going to get in there shortly. Looks like a Beechcraft that's got an elevator needs recovering. And that looks like a Sikorsky of some sorts. And this is the CF-100. Canadian Air Force jet fighter. To be the old Handley Page Hamden, I'm just guessing. Boy, what a rare bird. It's either a Kiyosaki or a Boeing Vertol, one of the two. Here's some more of that, what I think to be the Handley Page Hamden. Which wasn't too successful as a bomber, but sure was ugly. No engines, need some leading edges on the wing.